Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're looking at Observation Wheel UK in Great Yarmouth. Now this is one of the larger observation wheels we've been to, at 50 metres high and 36 gondolas that each seat up to 6 people. Now we visited on a Sunday afternoon where the weather was, let's say, inclement, but we visited on a trip to the Sea Life Centre and our ticket was included in the price of the Sea Life Centre, but the ticket for the wheel, £8 per adult and £6 per child if you are just visiting. Well worth it. It's a large wheel, goes round twice, and as you can see it goes round at a rather leisurely pace. It doesn't whip you around so you miss everything, and it gives you a chance to have a look around and get a good shot and a good view of the coastline and the town centre. Now Oliver was keen to go on this wheel again. He loves these observation wheels, so this was no different, and he really enjoyed himself on this wheel. Now as you can see it goes up at a good pace. We get good views of the street there and the promenade, and it's right opposite the Royal Hotel. So if you're looking for a landmark to find the wheel, not that you won't be able to see it at 50 metres tall, then you can head for there. Good parking around in the area too, so pretty accessible. Now as the wheel goes up you can see the beach. You get a nice view of the seaside there, the very, very sandy beaches of Great Yarmouth. So don't forget your bucket and spade. The Sea Life Centre there, very good day out. We went there at the same time as the wheel, so do check that out along with the pleasure beach. And great views there down the other side, looking at the promenade, the town centre and the amenities in the local area. Now the sun was in and out of the clouds all day, and we caught a great shadow of the wheel on the grass next to the wheel because of that sun beaming through. Now, it was busy given the weather wasn't great. It was a still very popular day out for a lot of people. And the raindrops there giving a distorted view across into town. But don't let the weather put you off, it's still worth going to see. And the coast train there and the horse and cart rides that go up and down the seafront, something that we will check out next time we go to Great Yarmouth. We didn't go on them this time because of the weather, but next time we will certainly do that, and who knows, we may put another video up. So do hit that subscribe button for more videos here on Bedwell's Kitchen. And as the wheel goes down after its second rotation, that brings us to the end of our little visit to the wheel, the Observation Wheel UK at Great Yarmouth. So again, £8 per adult, £6 per child if you're just visiting, or you can get your ticket for the wheel included in the price of the Sea Life Centre if you want to combine the two for a day out in Great Yarmouth. If you've enjoyed the video, do hit that like button, do hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time here on Bedwell's Kitchen for plenty more videos. Take care.